Welcome to House Pro's exciting new feature, adding ceilings to your 3D floor plans. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create stunning ceilings that will bring your designs to life. Let's get started. First, select Ceilings. Click on the Ceilings tab located in the toolbar on the right-hand side of the screen. Click Edit Ceilings, and then click on the room that you want to add a ceiling to. You can select from different types of ceilings on the right side of your screen here. In this case, I'm going to select a cathedral ceiling. You can adjust the height of the ceiling. The base height will be the lowest part of the ceiling. In this case, I'm going to make that 9 feet. And the peak height will be the tallest point of your ceiling, which I'll make 14 feet. You can rotate the peak as needed to match the design of your room. You can preview the ceiling in dollhouse mode and select the ceiling and apply paint colors as you would to a wall. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a stunning ceiling to your 3D floor plan. Start creating immersive and captivating designs today with House Pro's new ceiling feature. Explore endless possibilities and bring your client's vision to life. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Happy designing with House Pro.